Danke bafethu. So sibonile-ke iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ayimdlalisanga uThemba Zwane ku-biggest game of the season, i-final ye-CAF Champions League. Ama-fans akwate kakhulu laphana online ukuthi kungani i-best player leMamelodi Sundowns engadlali, cause u-Coach Miguel unama-excuse amaningi ukuthi why uThemba Zwane angadlalanga. Bahambile baya ku-Chippa United lena azange adlale nakhona u-coach bethi uprotect uThemba Zwane ngoba i-pitch beyingekho right. Uhlezi nama-excuse nje, but asiye emagameni wakhe uKhados ukuthi utheni i-reason yakhe ukuthi why uThemba Zwane engadlali, yabo. Uthi uThemba Zwane bayammaneja njengawo wonke ama-players weMamelodi Sundowns, uthi lonke iplayer liyafuna ukuba yiphathi yale match lenkulu. Uthi i-decision-ke ukuthi yena abhalanse i-team, yabo. Uthe ngicabanga ukuthi lama-player lawa adlalile yiwo a-best. Uyamuzwa ukuthi uthini u-coach la? Ayi coach Carlos uyangibulala. So uthi ucabanga ukuthi lama-player lawa yena awakhethile yiwo a-best, uyabo. Kusho ukuthi ama-player adlalayo currently angcono kunoThemba Zwane. Uchaza lokho u-coach weMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ngikhethela ama-player lawa ngoba angcono kunoThemba Zwane. But-ke thina esibukela ibhola asiyiboni lonto le. uThemba Zwane wangena kudlalwa ne-Al Ahly, wa-change igame laphana iMamelodi Sundowns idliwa 1-0, yabo. Wayi-change igame. uThemba Zwane there's something about yena njalo mese egrawundini, there's something khona umlingi ey'nyaweni zakhe. Manje u-coach Cardoso yena usebenzisa inkani yakhe ukuthi angamdlalisi uThemba Zwane, maybe ufuna ukuprove i-point. Sikhumbule ukuthi uThemba Zwane cishe wangayisayini i-contract neMamelodi Sundowns because uKhadoso yena wathi uThemba Zwane abalinde babone ukuthi uzo-recover-a kanjani. Ngiyakhumbula uThemba Zwane bekuthiwa ama-contract negotiations wamiswa kwathiwa aka-recover from i-injury kuqala kubonakala ukuthi usazodlala. Uma wayibheka lento le ibuya kuye uKhadoso kusho ukuthi akamrate uThemba Zwane, uzele kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuzo-destroy uThemba Zwane nokuzo-destroy i-confidence yakhe. Le best player eSouth Africa bafethu siyazi ukuthi sekhulile but-ke u-good ngempela lo muntu lo. But asiqhubeke ku-decision yakhe lo uthini, yabo. Uthi yena oselecthe le team lena ayiselectile ngoba vele i-best angisho uchaza ukuthi i-right, yabo. Uthi-ke uyazi ukuthi i-football i-beautiful kangakanani and futhi iphinde ibe ugly at the same time, yabo. Uthi nge-second nje or 10 second last minute of the game izinto zishintshile noma zivele zitshintshe, so ayikho into ongayenza ngalokho, yabo. So nawo-ke ama-comment online from abantu ukuthi bakhomente bathini after i-decision ka-coach ukuthi bangamdlalisi uThemba Zwane, because uThemba Zwane is by far the best player kuMamelodi Sundowns, by far. Siyazi ukuthi ubuya kwi-injury but there's something about yena. Nawo ama-comment wabantu bafowethu. So uthi abanye bathi ngathi uThemba Zwane akafunwa lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns, i-coach make sure ukuthi uThemba Zwane akadlali, yabo. Omunye uvele wathi kumele ubuze uManqoba ukuthi ukubhentsha uThemba Zwane kwenzani. No-Hugo Broos naye bengamdlalisi uThemba Zwane or bengamselect for iBafana Bafana, but utshentshe i-thinking yakhe or utshentshe ingqondo ukuthi okay, let's select this player ngoba uyaprove ukuthi u-good, yabo. Uthi omunye uthi as much as njengoba sithi uThemba Zwane kumele adlale, but-ke if igame iMamelodi Sundowns iwinile akekho umuntu bezobuza ngoThemba Zwane laphana, yabo. Ingakho kubuzwa ngoThemba Zwane ngoba i-match iphele ngo-1-1, but omunye uyamphendula uthi laphana it's not about ukuthi uThemba Zwane igame iphele kanjani, but sifuna ukubona uThemba Zwane i-best player leMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi lidlale laphana i-match enkulu, yes. But siyamdinga uThemba Zwane because mekhona uThemba Zwane egrawundini create-eka ama-moments a-beautiful, yabo. Khona into ezo-create-eka kahle, i-game ileke i-creativity. Yes, u-replace-a ubani uMayema, uchaza ukuthi uMayema ungcono kunoThemba Zwane. Kusho ukuthi u-coach uchaza lokho ukuthi ngoba uthe yena ama-player awa-select-ile a-best, a-best ngempela. Kusho ukuthi uchaza ukuthi uMayema ungcono kunoThemba Zwane, but asiqhubekeni bafowethu, yabo. Kuthiwa-ke omunye uthi i-role kaThemba Zwane laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns inkulu kakhulu. Uthi kuyavela ukuthi kuyaziveza noma kuyavela ukuthi uKhadoso akamrate uThemba Zwane after i-injury, yabo. Since uThemba Zwane wabuya laphana ku-long lay off noma ku-injury akakaqali negame eyodwa, lokho kuyasho ukuthi ngempela uThemba Zwane bayamcindezela laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, yabo. So uthi ngiyamangala ukuthi mina uThemba Zwane akadlali ngani because uThemba Zwane siyamazi mengenile egamini ukuthi uyayi-change i-complexity of the game nanokuthi u-contribute-a kahle kakhulu. Wenza i-example laphana uthi bheka igame yeMagesi uthi i-tempo makungena uThemba Zwane yashifta kancane, ama-short passes wakhe, ama-combination of play, ability yakhe ukuthi a-connect-e nama-midfielder nama-attackers laphana going forward, it's something else, yabo. So uyasho ukuthi i-energy yakhe maybe ayikho consistent in terms of like u-offer i-energy ukuthi kuya phambili, but uSalias u-untouchable egamini yabo, and then udinga ukukhonektha nabani nama-player afana noThembazwane yabo. So bayaqhubeka-ke abaningi bayakhomenta nanokuthi uThembazwane kungani bambhentshe or why kumele bangambhentshi yabo. Kuthiwa ku-coach lana uthatha ama-chance ngempela yabo, kumele a-make sure ukuthi uyayiwina le Champions League le, uma engayiwini i-Sundown Sporting Director izomxosha ngempela for ukubhentsha uThembazwane ukungamdlalisi yabo. Ama-player maningi kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns siyavuma, but uThemba Mshishizwane akumelanga abhentshwe bafowethu. Ngeke umhlalise ebhentshini lo muntu lo, kumele umdlalise noma kuthiwa-ke umdlalisa 40 minutes 30 minutes, but kumele abe khona mekhona egrawundini yabo. Izinto ngempela zizo-change yabo. Omunye ukhomenta ngoMayema ukuthi uku-introduce yena uMayema behambela nje egrawundini, akafight, akayinikanga lutho ngempela i-team yabo. So yeah, but let's wait and see ku-second leg ukuthi ucoach uzoyenza kanjani, but ucoach nanga uthi yena lama-player bewadlala a-best, kusho ukuthi angcono kuneThembazwane, but-ke let's wait and see ukuthi kuzokwenzakala ini laphana eCairo, second leg of i-Champions League, Mamelodi Sundowns versus Pyramids. Kaze uzodlala na uThemba Mshishizwane? Danko bafowethu.